What is up, guys? I'm back to do a different kind of video. No fitness today. But the fitness videos will be back here soon. I am doing the Choco Challenge 2020. Let's open this box and get this started. Alright. Choco Challenge. Welcome to the Choco Challenge. 50 meals donated per bar sold. So I spent only 20 bucks on this. And they're going to donate 50 meals to someone in need, which I think is awesome. So if you guys want to do it, then go ahead, go to FuegoBox.com, buy their new Choco Challenge, and do it for the cause. So, for every bar purchased, FuegoBox donates 50 meals to local food banks to end hunger, which is a really good cause. Enter to win a year of hot sauce. 1. Eat it. Attempt to eat the entire bar of our chocolate. And 2. Film it, which I'm doing right now. So, FuegoBox, I hope you're watching because I love hot sauce. Take a video or photo of yourself trying to eat it. Terrible sweet pain awaits. Great. Number 3, share it. Post it on social media for a chance to win a year of hot sauce. Be sure and tag at FuegoBox down there somewhere. At Feeding America down there somewhere. Thanks, edit guy. You're welcome. And hashtag Choco Challenge 2020. We can only see public profiles. So, on my Twitter, give me a follow at Rumboyz. I will be posting this all on there so they can see it. And, yeah. You can also email your entry to choco@fuegobox.com. We'll pick 5 random winners in August of 2020 and 5 in April 2021. Visit chocochallenge.com for full details and terms. Eat at your own risk. S1 helps to provide at least 10 meals secured by Feeding America on behalf of member food banks. Alright, so that's that. Warning, stupid, spicy. Here's the box. Nice little box. I want to see how many Scoville units this is. I know there's like 12 of the hottest peppers in one of these bars. Doesn't tell me anything. Alright. You must be insane. Last chance to turn back to consume this pain. That's nice of them. Give me multiple warnings. But, nice little seal of death. It's not really white. It's not really white. And with my spicy challenges, I'm not going to have anything for at least 5 minutes if I can hold out. But here it is. Down the hatch. Oh yeah, it kicks in right away. Holy fuck.
Stop the cash. They're hard.
Oh, fuck.
Cash.
That's hot. It's really hot.
I was going to say it would have had to been hot. Because your eyes are like tears are coming down on you.
Nolan, can you give me a glass of milk real quick?
Yes. We need a glass of milk for Dad. That's really hot.
Yep,
Wow, you did a challenge.
I did.
That would be like really hot like fire.
Try lava.
Lava?
Yeah.
It tastes like lava? No!
Glass of milk for when my 5 minutes is up.
Careful, buddy, you don't spill that.
I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Hold
If you're
on
new to
now.
the channel, make sure you subscribe. Oh, this sucks.
Yeah, if he dies, you're going to be hurting.
You can see.
Starting to wear off now.
That's good.
Oh, it's not good.
What? You have to put a sweater on. It's chilly in here.
Look at that challenge. I know him.
So yeah, new videos are coming. Can't really think. Ah, fuck. Ugh. I really hope I win that year-long supply of hot sauce. Fuck. So, I challenge Robbie from the Rumboyz Fantasy Network to do this. The challenge is out there, sir, boss man. And I challenge Justin from the Clock Management. Both of you guys can try this. And it's for a good cause, so. But anyways, my 5 minutes is almost up. I just got 20 more seconds. This sucks. Not as bad as the 9 million Scoville unit with the Satan's Toe challenge. I'm getting the hiccups and the burps now. But, alright. You know what? I don't even need the milk. Nope. Not going to have the milk. Not going to have the milk. So, anyways. Subscribe to my channel. Link in the description. Or not really. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. The red bar. That's it. If subscribe is red, then click that and turn on bell notifications to all, so you guys can get notified anytime I upload a stupid video like this or a workout video. God, it's just lasting forever. Links in the description will be to the Rumboyz Fantasy Network and Clock Management. Make sure you go subscribe to them. Hopefully they do this challenge. And let's see what they have. But it was always nice filming for you guys. And hope you guys enjoyed it. It sucks. And yeah, have a good one. And stay home and be safe, because once we can get rid of this quarantine, then the faster we can open the world back up and live normal life again. So once again, thank you and peace out, Rum Nation.